First of all, the name of our product is to be known as No Play, and the idea of this courseware is to bring more entertainment and fascinating element in students' learning process. And also, this courseware has been customized to fit and fulfill the students' need based on their particular subject. So there are two main purposes on why we built this courseware, and the first one is to introduce this courseware as a tool of the modern education system to all the students, and also to bring more joy in learning activities. There are several advantages of using this courseware, and the first one is to create and bring it can create and bring deep impact to students and users. The second one is students can have access to wide range of learning materials. And the last one is it can deliver information in a quick and effective way. So in our courseware, there are several features that have been provided by us. And the first one is it is a system in a form of mobile and Windows app. They also have features like notes, quiz, and also game. Other than that, this courseware has been applied with graphic user interface that known as GUI concept. Apart from that, the features is it has collaboration and mix of various learning tools which can be used by all the students in their learning activities. Now we will move to the problem of statement number 1. So as you can see in the slide, what kind of problem that usually a students face. So the problem is in our today's learning methods, the learning methods are not fascinating and entertainment for students as it usually use more textbook than other fascinating or joy elements such as digital book, ebook, or playing quiz using a website. The next question is who faced this problem? Of course, all level of students face this problem. And the last one, the reasons this problem should be solved is of course to produce more top and creative students. Now for the problem of statement number 2, the problem is students are burdened as they have to bring a lot of learning materials regarding of book, textbook, and etc. Every classes they enter. Who face this problem? Of course, all level of student. And the reason this problem should be solved is to give all the students the freedom to choose either to bring book or using this application that we have been provided uh, in the class. Now, last but not least, the problem of statement number 3. The problem here is students are not being exposed with the use of digital learning, in which at the end make them become uncreative persons. The next question is who faced this problem? Of course, all level of student included university students, college, and primary school students. The reasons this problem should be solved is to attract our students to give an extra focus in learning, but in an entertainment way, and at the same time, they can produce a lot more positive discussion environment inside the class with their entire classmate.
When you open the game, there will be revealed three buttons: setting button, speaker button, and play button. Try click the play button. Click the play button to reveal the random subtopic or random topic for IM for course IM 110. Choose your subject, choose the subject that you want and click the button on the subject that you want. Click the start button to start playing. Players answer on their own device, while questions are displayed on a shared screen. In addition to live game, you can also send no-play challenge that players complete at their own pace. For example, for homework and remote training. Choose the genre or subtopic you want to see the question related to the topic you choose. The right answer will be revealed after you choose your answer. You can get different topic to find for each game. After you after you choose your subtopic, you will be lead to next part, which is go to the question true or false. All the questions will be revealed one by one after you answer all the question before. True and false question have the true and false section will have 10 questions overall. If your answer is right, you can go to the next question. Each subtopic contains 10 questions and you can adjust how many questions you want and setting before you start the game. You can also choose your level which is you want it to be easy, medium or hard. After finish all the 10 questions, you will be lead to the next part, which is section B. Section B is where you need to write down your answer in uh, uh, in in sentence, which means you don't get multiple choices. Okay? After answering the section B, you can click enter to see if you write the right answer. And if you write the right answer, you will be lead to the next question. This section also have 10 questions and you also can adjust how many questions you want at the setting before you start the game. You can also adjust at how hard level this question you want. After finish all the 20 questions, you will be returned to the main menu and you can choose to play again or exit the game.
Next is explain the novelty or uniqueness of your solution. The first one is interesting. There is a beautiful and interesting background in this game that we provide. So, you can play this game with the beautiful and interesting background on this game. Next is preparation for students. In this game, there are some questions that can make students to study in this game while playing. So, having this game can make them review the question that provided in this game. So, before the examination, they can play this game while study. Next, fill their leisure time. Rather than wasting time playing games that do not have benefit, it is better to fill the time by playing games that give knowledge in learning. So, the student or children will not wasting their time while playing the game that never giving the benefit to them. So, in this game can make them to have the knowledge while playing the game. Other than that, this game can be accessed for all age, which is this game can be used from secondary school to university level. This game also make them vulnerable to PC, hardware, and software. This game can make them more open to digital technology. In this world now, digital technology give more benefit to all of them. So, nowadays, children should more power in doing digital technology or use digital technology for their future. Education with game. We create this game because we want to educate them in new way through game also that can give them benefit learning to them. So with this game we can playing while we are learning. This is give more benefit, a lot of benefit to people or children or students for them to playing. Last but not least is more attractive. In this game, we can attract user to play while learning with some movement and element in this game.
Next up is the commercialization potential of this product. Basically, this product can provide many advantages in terms of knowledge to students and ensure the future of the education system is always in an orderly and efficient state. This is because with a game application like this, it will attract more student interest in ensuring that they get the same knowledge as they learn in class or during exam. In addition, this product also has its own objective, where this product is released to target students to use it to help them more easily understand a lesson. This is because most students will quickly get bored and lose interest while in class. This factor is due to the traditional methods used by instructor or in the learning session. Therefore, with the availability of this product, instructors, teachers or lecturers can use this application to add knowledge to students and also be able to assess student weaknesses to improve them. And with this, we believe that this product will get an encouraging response and attract many users in using it. This is also driven by exposure of young people today to technology is very high, and we believe it will provide an advantage in increasing the amount of use to this product. This product will also ensure that students gain knowledge after using it and ensure that all material used in this application are accurate and easy to understand by user to ensure that the level of education can be improved and all information provided is up to date. Besides that, this product also has its own objective, where this product called Now Play or will call Now Play will ensure that students can access it easily in order to provide comfort students when use it. All the tools used in the way plays are simple to easy to ensure that users are not confused how to use it. Last but not least, to ensure this product is easy to access and use, user can download this application in laptop through Microsoft Store or on smartphone apps through App Store and Google Play Store.
To sum up, this product, which Play has a lot of potential and advantage for students in their learning process, especially for technical support and maintenance for information agency. By this product, I will state 3 advantages and benefits for students in their learning process. Which first is this product will gain their motivation. Why? Because once they got the wrong answer in this quiz game, it's pretty sure that their desire to study will be more higher in order to get the right answer, especially for subject IMD 222, because some students say that it's quite difficult to understand. Second is, this product will avoid and prevent students to become more bored when learning process. This is because as a student we know that the traditional learning method is kind of boring for students in this generation. So by this product, there are more game features which very interesting and fancy to play, which makes students easily to understand. And the last one, lecturers can appraise their students' understanding. It will be more easy for lecturers to evaluate their students when using this product, because once their students get the result in this game, lecturers can see which part that their students get a low score, and at the end the lecturers can explain back the term and the part that their students are not catch up until they will understand. So that's all for our group presentation about our product, which is No Play. Thank you for listening.